Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to see the time you spent using Instagram. Tracking your time on Instagram helps you stay aware of your uses and manage your screen time effectively. So let's get started on how to see the time you spent using Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the time management option. Now you will see a summary of the time you have spent on Instagram. This includes your daily average and total time spent over the past week. And this is how you can see the time you spent using Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.